हमें वाटरमार्क का ट्यूटोरियल चाहिए। ट्यूटोरियल एडिटिंग का कब मिलेगा? When are you going to post editing tutorial on how to make watermark?
We want tips.
Okay guys, okay, I get it. You want to know how I make my watermark. So today, on the celebration of 1K subscribers, I'm going to teach you all on how to make your own personal watermark, as a lot of my fans and friends have been requesting me to do a tutorial on this. So let's start. First, you need to go on Pinterest and search aesthetic things for watermark and select any of the pictures you want to. As you can see, I am selecting a lot of cute little trinklets for my watermark. After downloading the photos, you need to open InShot and then select the photos and then blank and then select a very light green color. After selecting the green color, you need to select the photos and then crop them to your accordingly size. After cropping it, you need to write your username or URL or whichever one you prefer and put it accordingly. And to make sure that people do not steal your edits, you can also write only on YouTube and the other apps you post in different fonts so that people can know what apps you post your edits only. After exporting it, you need to go to the video section and pick a video from your gallery, whichever one you want to edit or put your watermark into. Then you need to go to Pip and choose your watermark and crop it and use chroma to cut it out. After that, you need to go to the filter option and choose blur. Then you need to export the video like normal. Bye. This is my tutorial on how to make a watermark like me. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, subscribe, share and comment on this video. Bye. Bye.